Hey guys, welcome to my new video. Today, using my Optimum Beast, the G2.6, I'll be preparing some delicious vegan KitKat bars. For that, we will be in need of some almonds, shredded coconut, nut butter, maple syrup, and some vegan chocolate. To begin with, we throw in the almonds and the coconut in the blender and choose the grind option where speed and time are automatically adjusted to give you the smoothiest texture. So we put around 400 grams of almonds and 200 to 250 grams of shredded coconuts. Let's start blending. Let's put that aside and wash the jug set so we can prepare the nut butter. Just add some water and a drop of any dishwashing soap and choose speed 8 for around 30 seconds. All set and clean now. So for the nut butter, you can choose any nut you like. For me, I prefer cashews, as the mix we have already made has almonds. So let's roast some cashew nuts for around 8 to 10 minutes in the oven, and then put them in the G2.6. For instance, you can add coconut oil while blending to give a nicer flavor. Let's mix the nut butter with some maple syrup on low fire in a small pan and then mix them with the almond and coconut mix on the side. After we have baked the dough for around 15 minutes over a temperature of 300 degrees Fahrenheit, let's get the chocolate on a bain-marie so we have it melted to cover the biscuits. Et voila! Thanks to the Optimum G2.6, the beast over here, you've got some really flavorful vegan and gluten-free KitKat bars. See you in the next video.